Qualcomm reportedly are going to do their very own smartphone. Forget about all these other guys putting our chips, keep buying our chips. We can do this. What's this big deal, this smartphone thing? We'll make a smartphone. We're Qualcomm. Everybody wants our chip inside the smartphone. What, the other stuff is complicated? We can't get a screen? Huh? We can't get an aluminum case for it? Huh? We did the hard part.
Yeah.
We're Qualcomm. Anyway, apparently they're working on their own Snapdragon 875 powered device. And no, they're not going to do it all by themselves. They're going to team up with Asus, who, by the way, they've done a tremendous job with these gaming phones.
ROG.
Yeah, these high-end gaming phones. All the specs. They go to Qualcomm. They say, we'll take all the specs.
Yeah.
And then they slap them in and call it a gaming phone.
Yeah.
Fine by me. Put a huge battery. Fine by me. And so they've worked together closely. In fact, they worked together closely on those Plus designs as well, 865 Plus, to get the higher end spec inside of those gaming phones where you would want it. So it kind of makes sense that they would team up for this. This might very well be a double branded thing. Maybe Qualcomm sells it under their brand, markets it a certain way, and then maybe Asus goes with the ROG and just they rig it up a little, put a few edges on it, couple of cyborgs, call it a day, and call it gaming.
It's not bad.
So they both get the best of both worlds because, you know, to a certain extent, you think about this. I look at those gaming phones and part of me wishes that there was a version of them just with a toned down gaming styling. Because I might not be able to pull out the gaming phone all circumstances.
Yes.
I'm catching looks with the side eye.
Yeah. With this RGB.
But I look at the spec list on some of these gaming phones and I'm seeing these tremendous batteries. I'm seeing these tremendous chips inside. I'm seeing the tremendous refresh, and I'm saying, I want the stealth mode. Give me the stealth mode gaming phone.
Yeah.
And so maybe that's what they could do here, a double-headed monster. You do all the innovation together, you figure out the internals, and then it's just a styling thing on the outside. You
don't want this?
You see all the gaming phones I thought? No, I mean, it's cool. No, it's cool. It makes for a good video.
Yeah.
Like, it's cool. Gaming phones, don't get me wrong, for the right audience. But I'm thinking there's so many now with the RGB flavor. It'd be cool to see the stealth mode. Maybe you have one RGB element which you can turn on or off or have it glow white or something, and then the rest is kind of like a matte finish or like something more stealth.
The Razer did it pretty well.
Yeah, Razer phone was kind of in that direction. So anyways, they team up with Asus to make this happen. It will not be a run-of-the-mill device, and it really couldn't be because it's going to be one of the first Snapdragon 875 devices that's out there, and it's rumored to debut at Qualcomm's annual showcase December 1st and 2nd. So that's actually fairly soon we might catch a glimpse at this.